Got a little repair I need to do on the radio today in the 81 Chevy Silverado. It's got a bad connection somewhere inside of it, probably where the speakers plug into the back of the radio. So I'll hit a bump and the speakers will go off, and I'll hit another bump and they'll come back on, and I can kind of kick right underneath the radio and get it to come back on sometimes. So that's getting pretty annoying, so it's time to just take it apart and fix it. Got the radio out of the 81 Chevy Silverado on the bench today. I was having a lot of problems with the sound cutting off on it when I'd hit a bump. And I've got one bad solder connection right there. Don't know if that'll show up on camera, but that solder connection's just broke all the way around the post. So I'm going to resolder that now and see if that solves my problems I've been having. And while I'm at it, I'm going to clean the controls and clean the head on the tape deck and kind of detail it out and clean it up. So it should be good to go after I get all that done. And I went ahead and reflowed all the other connections as well. So I will now put this thing back together and finish cleaning it up and reinstall it in the truck and see how it works. Looks like this radio's manufactured February 16th of '84. And all cleaned up and polished, reassembled, and ready to install back in the truck. And it's all back together and ready for a test.
Front to disguise the fact that you're really sick. You want it to stop. You just don't know.
This is AM.
Nutrition. Yep. Prices. West Texas rancher John R. Anderson's in East
It's FM.
You're gonna stay. I just got time. I can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined. You make it just okay when I want.
Oh, I'm special.
Beach Boys winning weekend.
Presets are working. Rewind. Fast forward.
Certainly a chance to get ready for the playoffs because it's Sure looks like the Cowboys.
Now I can shake the wires and it doesn't pop in and out like it was doing. Here's the fade. That's rear and front. Here's the tone control. Here are my presets on AM.
So we've seen that a lot more often in the last few years.
A lot because it also reduces the load. To get that taken care of. So we're not.
Their run defense is allowing 22 less.
FM.
Truck 91.7 KXT.
In the range, fun dates at nice price.
That costs more than your car. And the one of them, because I'm friends with all of them. And instead, to get that...
So everything is working as it should.